Building a powerful gaming PC but confused about which motherboard will unlock your system's full potential? Welcome back. In part 4 of our series, we're exploring some of the best gaming motherboards that deliver faster performance, better cooling, and next-gen features like C5.0 and DDR5 support. The right motherboard is the backbone of your PC, connecting everything for smooth and stable gaming. Stay till the end to find the perfect one for your build, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Asus ROG Strix B550F motherboard. Upgrade your system with a high-performance AM4 motherboard compatible with AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, including 4000 and 5000G series desktop CPUs, enhanced with Bluetooth 5.2 for modern wireless connectivity, featuring advanced gaming connectivity with C4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, along with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.2 outputs for high-quality visuals, supported by ultra-smooth networking through onboard Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11x, and Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet with Asus Landguard for stable and secure connections, powered by a robust 12+2 teamed power stage design with ProCool power connector, premium alloy chokes, and durable capacitors for reliable performance under heavy workloads, complemented by renowned software including a 60-day AIDA 64 Extreme subscription and an intuitive UEFI BIOS dashboard for easy system control and monitoring, making it an ideal choice for gamers and professionals seeking speed, stability, and next-level performance. At number 2 we have Asus ROG Z390 gaming motherboard. Ready for advanced AI PC, designed for the future of AI computing, with the power and connectivity needed for demanding AI applications. AMD AM5 socket, ready for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000 and 7000 series desktop processors. Intelligent control, Asus exclusive AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking and aimed to simplify setup and improve performance. ROG Strix overclocking technologies, dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, asynchronous clock and PBO enhancement. Robust power solution, 18+2+2 power solution rated for 110A per stage with dual ProCool 2 power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors to support multi-core processors. Optimized thermal design, massive heat sinks with integrated I/O cover, high conductivity thermal pads, and connected with an L-shaped heat pipe. Latest M.2 support, 3 onboard PC5.0 M.2 slots, and 2 PC4.0 M.2 slots, all with substantial cooling solutions. At number 3 we have Asus ROG Strix B850A gaming motherboard. Power your next-generation system with a motherboard built for advanced AI PCs, delivering the performance and connectivity required for demanding AI workloads and future-ready computing, featuring the AMD AM5 socket with full support for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors for maximum compatibility and upgrade potential, enhanced with intelligent control tools like Asus AI Advisor, AI Networking 2, and aimed to simplify setup and automatically optimize system performance, supported by a robust 14+2+2 power design rated at 88 per stage with dual 8+8 pin ProCool connectors, premium alloy chokes, and durable capacitors for stable multi-core processing, combined with an optimized thermal design that includes large heatsinks connected to VRMs with high conductivity thermal pads and an integrated I/O cover for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring consistent performance, reliability, and efficiency for gaming, content creation, and AI-driven tasks. At number 4 we have Asus X870EE gaming motherboard. Ready for advanced AI PC design for the future of AI computing, with the power and connectivity needed for demanding AI applications. AMD AM5 socket, ready for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000 and 7000 series desktop processors. Intelligent control Asus exclusive AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking and aimed to simplify setup and improve performance. ROG Strix overclocking technologies dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, asynchronous clock and PBO enhancement. Robust power solution 18+2+2 power solution rated for 110A per stage with dual ProCool 2 power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors to support multi-core processors. Optimized thermal design, massive heat sinks with integrated I/O cover, high conductivity thermal pads, and connected with an L-shaped heat pipe. Abundant connectivity dual USB 4 Type-C ports, USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C front panel connector, one USB 10 gigabits per second port with PD 3.0 up to 30 watts and USB wattage watcher, 9 additional USB 10 gigabits per second ports, C5.0 x 16 safe slots, HDMI port. At number 5 we have Asus AMD AM4 gaming motherboard. Upgrade your gaming setup with a reliable AM4 motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000G series, and 3000 series processors, delivering strong performance and broad compatibility, featuring comprehensive cooling with large VRM and PCH heatsinks along with Fan Expert 2 Plus for efficient thermal management during intense workloads, built for online gaming with onboard 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, tough LANguard, and TurboLAN technology for stable and optimized network performance, equipped with versatile connectivity options including BIOS flash back button, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, ultra-fast 32 gigabits per second M.2 slot, SATA 6 gigabits per second ports, and multiple display outputs like DisplayPort, HDMI, and D-Sub, enhanced with Asus AuraSync RGB lighting including standard and Gen 2 addressable RGB headers for customizable aesthetics, making it a perfect blend of performance, durability, and gaming-focused features for everyday and competitive use. At number 6 we have Asus AMD AM5X870 ATX motherboard. Ready for advanced AI PCs, designed for the future of AI computing, with the power and connectivity needed for demanding AI applications. AMD AM5 socket ready for AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series desktop processors. Intelligent control Asus exclusive AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking and aimed to simplify setup and improve performance. ROG Strix overclocking technologies, dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, asynchronous clock and PBO enhancement. Robust power solution, 16+2+2 power solution rated for 98 per stage with dual Pro Cool 2 power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors to support multi-core processors. At number 7 we have Asus B550 Plus ATX gaming motherboard. Build a powerful and future-ready system with an AM4 motherboard featuring C4.0 support, perfectly paired with 3rd-gen AMD Ryzen CPUs and enhanced with Bluetooth 5.2 for modern wireless connectivity, designed with a robust 8+2 DRMOS power stage layout using high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors to deliver stable power for high core count processors, supported by an optimized thermal solution including fanless VRM and PCH heatsinks along with multiple hybrid fan headers and advanced control via Fan Expert 4 or UEFI-Q fan utility for efficient cooling, equipped with high-performance gaming networking through Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, and 2.5 gigabits LAN with Asus LANguard for fast and secure connections, and offering extensive connectivity options including HDMI 2.1 with 4K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort 1.2, dual M.2 slots with C4.0 x4 support, USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports including Type-C, a Thunderbolt 3 header, and an SPI TPM header, making it a complete solution for gaming, productivity, and high-speed data performance. At number 8 we have Asus AMD AM5B850 ATX motherboard. Ready for advanced AI PC, designed for the future of AI computing, with the power and connectivity needed for demanding AI applications. AMD AM5 socket, ready for AMD socket AM5 for AMD Ryzen 9000 and 8000 and 7000 series desktop processors. Enhanced power solution, 14+2+1 80 DRMOS power stages, 8-layer PCB, 8+8 pin Pro Cool power connectors, alloy chokes and durable capacitors for stable power delivery. Latest M.2 support, one onboard C5.0 M.2 slot and two C4.0 M.2 slots, equipped with all M.2 heatsinks. Ultra-fast connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, C5.0 x16 slot, Realtek 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, rear USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C port, front USB 10 gigabits per second Type-C connector, Thunderbolt, USB 4, header support. At number 9 we have Asus X870A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. Power your next-generation build with a motherboard designed for advanced AI processing, delivering the performance and connectivity required for demanding AI applications and future-ready computing, featuring intelligent control tools such as Asus AI Overclocking, AI Cooling 2, AI Networking 2, and aimed to simplify setup and automatically optimize system performance, built on the AMD AM5 socket with full support for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors for maximum compatibility and upgrade potential, enhanced with an optimized thermal design that includes integrated heatsinks with the I/O cover connected via an L-shaped heat pipe and high-conductivity thermal pads for efficient heat dissipation, and equipped with high-performance networking including built-in Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b, with Asus Wi-Fi Q antenna, Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and Realtek 5 gigabits Ethernet for ultra-fast, stable connectivity, making it an ideal choice for AI workloads, gaming, and high-performance computing environments. At number 10 we have Asus AMD B650 AM5 ATX motherboard. Ready for advanced AI PC, designed for the future of AI computing, with the power and connectivity needed for demanding AI applications. AMD AM5 socket, ready for AMD socket AM5 for AMD Ryzen 9000 and 8000 and 7000 series desktop processors. Enhanced power solution, 8+2+1 one-phase power design, 6-layer PCB, alloy chokes and durable capacitors for stable power delivery. Ultra-fast connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, C5.0x16 slot, C5.0 M.2 slot, Realtek 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, rear USB 10 gigabits per second Type A and Type C ports, and front USB 5 gigabits per second Type C support. Comprehensive cooling, VRM and M.2 heatsinks, PCH heatsink, hybrid fan headers and Fan Expert 2+. DIY-friendly design, pre-mounted I/O shield, BIOS flashback, Q antenna, Q LED core. Unmatched personalization, 3 addressable RGB Gen 2 headers, all configurable with Asus exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting.